Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the markets for the gold XAUUSD and Bitcoin BTCUSD for 19 and 20 May. If you do like my video on forecasting and analyzing, do consider subscribing to support me and motivate me to be consistent in uploading the forecast and analysis on Bitcoin and gold. Now we can see continuing its rally towards the target, which was some around 17,780 till 1800. However, we can see that the buyer were exhaust at some around 1760 and seller took the power and shift the price from 1763 till 1728 to 25. I have trailed my stop loss so that I was out of a trade after the breakout of 17 for 42 or 43. Closed my trade in profit. Now what I am expecting is that the market could bounce again on the support in order to fuel up and continue its rally towards the upper resistance. The fundamental behind moving the gold market in an bearish momentum or converting it from an bullish to bearish momentum is the reopening of the economy. Thus, the risk mood was on and the safe haven such as gold was in less in demand. Now on daily chart we can also see an divergence, which is an regular bearish divergence in which the market is making higher high, whereas the indicator is making lower low here. Thus this suggests that the bearish momentum should continue in gold and the gold should test the support, which is some around 1707 till 1696 or 1695. Thus we can also see in break of trend line, which gives us a clear idea that the break of trend line gives us a clear idea that the bearish momentum in the market has started. Now we can coming on a lower time frame on a 4-hourly chart, removing all my drawings. On an 4-hourly chart we can also draw in fib, and we can also see that the market is taking a support from which it's bouncing. The support has been act as a resistance in the past, as I will show you. Currently the market is trading some around 1730. Here is the support zone. Here we can see that the market has taken the support and bounces off some around here. This support has acted as a resistance quite a few times, such as over here, here and here. Moreover, we can also draw in fib, in which we can clearly see the market testing the golden ratio, which is 0.618. Let me take out the fib from here till here. Here in the diagram we can see that the market is testing the golden ratio, which is 0.5 5. However, market could break this 0.5 and test the golden ratio, which is 0.618, which is more likely. As in an or as in 1 day chart, we can see that the market should test in support in order to fuel up in order so it can continue its bullish momentum. Thus, what I am expecting is for gold to be bearish for some times, testing the golden ratio 0.618 and testing the support of the channel marked on the 1 day chart. In order to identify the short term support zone, we can move towards the 15 minutes chart. Usually I do not take my trade on 15 minutes chart, but for explaining I have drawn the support zone. We can see that the support zone has been acting as in resistance and in support zone both. Here we can see the market has tested the support zone. However, I am expecting a break of this support zone and testing an area somewhere around 1711. We can also draw in resistance line or just some around here. We can see and bounce off from some area around 1735 towards the support, breaking the support, testing the area 1712. Now the summary of my analysis is that we can see the gold bearish momentum continuing for in short term after testing the support support zone marked on a daily time frame. We can see gold bouncing off that support zone. Thus I am bearish for in short term. However, if the market breaks this trend line on a 15 minutes chart, then I will go for in long. However, I will take in short at the test of this resistance line, within take profit of some around 1760. However, when the market tested this zone, I will close my trade and go for long in gold. Now moving onwards the Bitcoin. We are currently on Bitcoin on 4-hourly chart. We can see that the Bitcoin have just tested the support line, we can see a false breakout over here. However, the false breakout has caught many traders who have gone short and hit their stop loss. However, due to me using the support as a zone, I wasn't caught and I took a long position some around here after a break upwards at the support zone. Now what I am considering is that the Bitcoin is currently taking an support on a support zone and will continue its bullish momentum upwards some around 10,000 and 10,000. Then we can see an short term bearish momentum testing the support again and an breakout from a 10,000 target. Now we can draw a fib retracement on a 2-hourly chart on Bitcoin, showing us that the Bitcoin has tested the golden ratio. Here we can see that the Bitcoin has tested the golden ratio, which is some around 0.618. Thus, this also tells us that this was a false breakout through the support zone in order to test the golden ratio, and we can see and bullish momentum continuing in Bitcoin. Moreover, we can also see a descending triangle breakout in Bitcoin, as I will show you. Here we will draw a resistance line, and now drawing a support line. Here we can see that the Bitcoin has tested the support and there is a breakout making an descending triangle, and the Bitcoin has recently breakout. What I am seeing is a test towards the resistance trend line, turning it into an support trend line, and we can see an upwards movement from there. Thus, from this all analysis and prediction, we sum up to the conclusion that we are currently bullish on a Bitcoin, as the Bitcoin has tested the golden ratio for Fib, which is 0.618. We have seen an descending triangle breakout upwards, and we can see that the Bitcoin has taken the support or has tested the support zone and bouncing off with great buyers enthusiasm. So I am currently bullish on Bitcoin and has taken an long position on Bitcoin with the TP of some around here, and with an SL just placed below the trend line. Here the ratio of risk to reward is 1:2, more or less 2. So we can also see some resistance after the Bitcoin has reached the level of 9,900. Thus, a short position can be created after the Bitcoin hit this target and within TP just placed after few pips and SL placed after few pips. However, what I am seeing that the Bitcoin may continue its bullish momentum by breaking the nearest high, which is around 10,004, and continuing its bullish journey. If you do like my analysis, do like, share and comment below to tell me whether do you agree or disagree with my analysis on gold and Bitcoin, and do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.